Do you dread the Christmas season because you don't have money to spend? Are you already stressed out about January and your upcoming credit card bills? I have 2 words for you to create more joy this season. Hi, I'm Tammy with Family with Purpose, and we have a lot in common. We all want to save money this Christmas, and I can help you with only 2 words: budget and plan. Budget. Write the amount that you want to spend, and this is really important. Be sure that you're in agreement with your spouse, because there's nothing like more stress in your life that you don't need. So be in agreement with him or her. Next, you make a list of all the people that you want to buy for. Christmas is not worth going into debt for. Then you have the January blues, you end up paying interest on your credit cards, and suddenly your great deals are not so great with interest tacked on them. And here's the secret. If you save just $2 a day, that is a $730 savings for the year. That's less than a cup of coffee. $2 a day, that's not bad. That's a great Christmas budget. Also, you can save money when you get paid. Many times, well, actually every month, when we get paid the first paycheck of the month, we automatically put money into savings for Christmas and birthdays. It's a great way to know that you have money when it's time to spend it. Dave Ramsey has a ton of suggestions to help you save and spend your money wisely. And don't forget about DIY gifts and family gifts. These are 2 great options to help you save money at Christmas and stay on your budget. Number 2 is plan. Have a folder like this. Thank you, Barry. This was last year's folder, and inside of the cover, we would write everybody that we want to shop for. Here's our list from last year, right here. When we purchased their gifts, we wrote their gift under their name. This helped us to know what we had already bought for them, and it helps us stay on budget. There's also an added bonus. If you tend to forget what you shop for because you shop early, like we do, it reminds you what you already have for that person. Also, be sure to keep all the gifts that you've bought in one safe place so you don't lose them and find them next April around Easter time. It happens. I speak from experience. And when that happens, their Christmas gift finds its way in the Easter basket. Just saying. Keep all of your receipts in your Christmas folder. This makes it easy for returns and exchanges while staying on your budget. I write each person's name, and under their name, we write again what we've bought for them. This comes in very handy because almost every year we have returns and or exchanges to make, and I know where all of the receipts are. It's very handy and a lot less stress. If you do these 2 simple things, budget and plan, you will have a lot less headaches and stress and a lot more joy this season. We would love for you to take a minute and introduce yourself in the comments below and share how you save money and plan for your Christmas. Please be sure to like, share, and comment on this video your favorite money saving tip. And be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our weekly videos. We're here to help busy families like you grow and thrive while being intentional with their time. Enjoy this Christmas season feeling more in control of your stress and your finances. Until next time, get your folder, happy planning and budgeting. And you don't forget what you've bought in. If you tend to shop early like us, well, how did I say button? All right, let's go back. Number 2 is plan.
Try it again.